Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we have a mini truck that we imported and just came in the other day. Today is June 25th, so it came in like the 21st. This is a 1995 Honda mini truck. It has 19,350 original miles. It's $6,900. And it's a 4x4, of course, and it's a 5-speed. This Honda is particularly clean, and of course it's low miles. You know, they correlate with the way it looks. Let's go down the side here. The tires are in exceptional shape. All four look like that. I like to look at the mud flaps. The mud flaps are crisp. So, you know, that's the kind of thing you might expect to see with a truck that hasn't been used a lot. And here's the driver's door. There is one thing on this truck cosmetically that I'll point out to you here. It's on the front. It's got a little, just a little dent. Probably would mostly push out, which I have not tried to do. It's right there. I think if you got up under the dash, maybe, you know, that right there is at about this height. So you'd have to get up under there, or, you know, and just push it out. But really, it's not that big a deal. It's nothing structural, and it's not very noticeable. This does not have any rust anywhere around the windshield. The front bumper looks very good. It's that typical gray-black injection molded bumper that's pretty much inherent on all mini trucks. Same with the mirrors. And so yeah, looks really nice. And here's the passenger bed side. And the battery cover. That's what a spare tire is on a Acti. All right, let's look inside the bed. This one has chains on the bed. And what was I gonna say? Oh, yeah, the bed is in remarkable shape. So what you see here is just where some of the paint has been rubbed off from stuff sliding in. It's not rust. It's just paint rubbed off, no big deal. And that's your access cover. I'm gonna do what I always try to remember to do, is to just kind of show you the condition of the ribs. These ones don't even have any dents. So whoever had it just didn't use it much, which is good for the customer. All right, let's take it for a drive. Oh, actually, let me show you the inside. On the inside, we'll take a look here at the perimeter of the driver door. A little dirty, but that's it. It's just dirt right there. Door panel on this one isn't really sun bleached. Almost all Honda Actis are sun bleached. So this one was probably kept indoors. There's the kilometers, 34,147. Everything looks really, really tight in this low mileage Honda. And it drives super, super good. And there's your console showing your 5-speed shifter, emergency brake, and seat belts. This one has a really nice factory floor mat. It's a Honda floor mat, and it's kind of like WeatherTech. Not really, but sort of. In that it has these little berms so that the junk from your boots will not get onto your floor pan. But look what they did, which I really like. They, it's probably easier to show you here. They said, okay, well, we're gonna do away with that berm right there. And it makes sense because when you open the door, that's where you wanna, with your garden hose, spray it and it'll run out. So there was some thought behind that. All right, so now we're gonna take it for a ride. And you may hear my speaker box here rolling around in the back. One thing I noticed about the Hondas is how tight the turning radius is. And it's almost counterintuitive because this is all-wheel drive. And when a vehicle's in, you know, full traction mode, it usually doesn't do a good job turning. This thing, it turns like a Daihatsu. I mean, Daihatsus and Mitsubishis turn really tight. This thing turns, I'm gonna say maybe even tighter than either of those. So this vehicle just jumped right up to speed. That red light is the seatbelt light. But the thing just drives great. I mean, it's got so much power. And we're gonna go down this extended hill just to get up a little more speed. So that was 60, 62, no big deal. Very comfortable for this truck. And now I'm gonna turn around and head back. But yeah, that turning radius, oops, I was in third gear. That turning radius is really tight. All of our vehicles are serviced. We use full synthetic motor oil. We change the air filter, which is the most important thing on the truck, is the air filter, you know, for longevity. And of course we change the oil filter, check all the fluids, the rear end, transfer case, and make sure all that's good. So going up this hill, I reached 80 kilometers in fourth gear. And now we're going, check this out, we're going 35, 40 miles an hour, or 40 kilometers in fourth gear, climbing a steep hill, which I know this doesn't show you how steep the hill is, but that's how good the engine power is on this truck. Fourth gear at 20 miles an hour, all the way up to 46 miles an hour climbing a hill. So if you have any questions about this truck, let me know. We'll answer any questions you have. I think those people are here to pick up a mini truck. Yep, they sure are. So just give us a call at 336-337-5725. Our email address is mayberryminitrucks@gmail.com, and you can check out our website at mayberryminitrucks.com, and we appreciate your business.